Back to Sepang, I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me, Matt Thurt, down in pit lane. Dylan Gray for this penultimate round, the MotoGP World Championship.
Pedrosa, Marquez, Rossi on the front row. Row 2, Lorenzo, Crutchlow and Andrea Iannone.
Row 3, Andrea Dovizioso, Maverick Vinales and Bradley Smith. Row 4, Alexia Spargo, Paul Espargaro fit and Danilo Petrucci.
Cabut. Wah, yes. Akhirnya tuku yang mana? Tiga ini. Wah. Acur. Bro, ke bawah. Angel. Nasib Subrek. Uripe pahit. Balapan mah jembrung. Lakon sengeni sing duwe yo. Gak musuhnya ada iki.
Dylan, track conditions.
Look, it's going to be fine. It is quite hot and humid. It is a little bit warmer than it was in Moto2, but the good thing is this rain that they thought might come has stayed away. That doesn't mean that the teams won't be prepared. There could be a few interesting things with regards to wet tyre choice should they need to switch onto the number 2 bike. However, I don't think we should get into that right now because as we stand, like you guys said, medium front, medium rear, it's going to be a straight shootout.
Take a big deep breath at home. Boy, Lorenzo, Danny Pedrosa, a little wiggle there from Andrea Iannone. And there he is, Valentino Rossi in there also, Marc Marquez, certainly not sending Christmas cards to each other at the moment. Just to remind you of the situation, Rossi leads that World Championship by 11 points. Will he be crowned the new champion?
Jawa ke apa sih? Aduh, apa? Los. Aduh. Apa montor banteran ya? Sik, gak bekel sik, Bro. Tak leren-leren ngombe sik. Wah. Acur. Bro.